Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today's video is about
automotive tire care.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Car systems know that our rides reflect who we are, and nothing shows that more than our wheels and tires. So try Black Magic Tire Wet, America's favorite tire dressing for an intense high gloss shine that gets you noticed. Just spray Tire Wet onto a clean tire, check out the wet glossy finish. To achieve a matte finish, lightly mist Tire Wet onto a clean dry sponge and then apply. Whatever look you're going for, Tire Wet's powerful formula is sure to give you that long-lasting showroom shine that only Black Magic can deliver.
Hi guys, I'm DJ with 303 and today we're going to be talking wheels and tires and how to clean and protect them from top to bottom. Before we dive in, you're going to want to get your wheel and tire bucket prepped. If you don't have a specific wheel and tire bucket, you're going to want to do this step last so you don't introduce contaminants from your wheels to your paint. First step is selecting the right cleaner, specifically for wheels and tires. You can choose what's best for you based on how detailed you want to get. First up is our wheel and tire cleaner. Just like it sounds, it works great on wheels and tires. It cleans dirt, grime, and caked on brake dust. It's got a foaming formula to let you know it's working and cleaning your wheels and removing browning on your tires. First, you're going to rinse your wheels and tires. Then you're going to spray the product on them and let it sit for 2 minutes. For tires, you want to scrub with a hard bristled brush to remove any contaminants. For wheels, you want tire dressing products depends what finish you're looking for. And we don't want to forget about those wheels. Our 303 touchless sealant protects spray touchless sealant in a crosshatch pattern on the wheel. Then let it sit for 20 to 30. That rinsing activates the SiO2 in the product and it'll protect your wheels for up to 6 months. That's it, your wheels and tires are clean. I'm DJ with 303 and thanks for watching.
What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from MASTERSON'S Car Care and today I'm going to show you how to apply our MASTERSON'S Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. If you're looking for a high gloss tire shine that's dry to the touch and water based and works on all rubber tires and plastic trim, this is going to be the perfect choice for your vehicle. Now all you need to do to apply the Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant is your favorite applicator pad and a microfiber towel. I'm using one of our MASTERSON'S Pro Foam applicator pads. These are great in the hand and they fit perfectly on these size tires. So first take your Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant, shake it up, and then you're going to go ahead and spray a few sprays right on the applicator pad. Right after you do that, just go ahead and spread it right on the tire. And there we go. And you see how easy it spreads. It's a water-based formula, so it just sinks right into the tire. And if your tire has ridges or is smooth, this is going to work on your tire. This tire actually has both ridges and smooth section, and this is going to work great. Once you spread it on an area, just add a little bit more. A little bit goes a long way. And this also works on plastic trim and bumpers as well. So if you have bumpers, mirrors, plastic trim, door sills or door handles, this is gonna work on that as well. And it spreads so easy and gives a nice even finish. Now this is a water-based tire shine. So that means it's not gonna attract dirt and dust like those oil-based or petroleum-based tire shine. This is easy on, easy off. You spread it on and it looks great. I like to go for the high gloss shine. So once I spread it out, I just leave it to dry. A lot of other people like to go ahead and bring it back down to that natural shine by just giving it a quick wipe with a microfiber towel. Now there we go. This Tesla is ready for the road and now your car can be ready for the road too with the MASTERSON'S Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. Protectant, 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 protectant.
Formulated with long-lasting polymer additive with UV guard to protect against drying and fading. It has 10-minute quick-dry formula. Helps repel dust and dirt. This premium formula prevents any sling and runoff at high speeds. It can be used on car interiors to help restore car trim, rubber, vinyl, or internal plastics. You choose your tire's look by the layers you apply, from matte finish, rich deep black, to wet look high gloss shine. Plus a microfiber applicator pad with thick, durable mesh and hand sleeve for easy application that lets you spread product into all the bumps and grooves of your tire surface. Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. The long-lasting shine that lasts for weeks.
Hey guys, it's Mark at Dura Coating Technology, and today I'm showing you guys how to apply our Dura-Dressing tire coating. You guys can forget those tire dressings that you buy at the store that fling, sling, and come off when it rains. This product dries completely dry. It's oil-free, it's solvent-free, it's silicone-free, it's water-based, non-hazardous soap and water cleanup, and it lasts, guys. It's fully washable, and this is my third coat. I'm going to use about 1.5 ounces on the entire car, and you can see how good it shines. We'll be able to drive on these in about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see just how good it's shining already. It goes on just like regular tire dressing, guys. Super easy, super fast. You can see the shine. It's already dry, nothing's coming off. It's already sling free over here. Pretty amazing. So I've got the front tires done for you, and I did those yesterday. Let me take you guys over there and show you that. This is a pretty cool demo we're gonna do right here. So I just wanna show you guys. You can see how good they shine in the sun, how nice they look, and these babies are fully waterproof. This is fully cured after 24 hours, and I've got something I'm gonna show you guys here too. So I've got a bucket of water and a hose here, and I just wanna show you guys that it's sling free, first of all. Put the towel on it, nothing comes off. So, totally dry, nothing on my hands. Let's go ahead and wash them. Wouldn't you love to do this with your tire dressing? You get them muddy. Wouldn't you love to wash them? Well, guys, with Dura-Dressing, when you wash your car, you wash your tires, you wash your wheels, you wash your rims, whatever you want to call them, and your tires are now part of the vehicle. It's not something that you have to put on all the time. This is amazing. This is what you want your tire dressing to be. When you put it on, this is what you hope it does, right? I mean, you hope that it lasts. You want it to last. You want it to be washable. And how about drying them with the towel? Would you guys ever dry? Guys, nothing comes off. I mean, how awesome is that? We'll dry them off with a towel, and look at how good the shine is. They're totally dry. I mean, is that amazing? Or what? Check out that shine. Isn't that everything you guys want your tire dressing to be? I mean, come on. This is a game changer, guys.
Daily driving or hard charging, time and the elements can take their toll on your car's exterior. Mother's Back to Black line of products will restore the original look to trim with any color and keep tires looking blacker longer. Easy to apply and long-lasting. Let the legendary protection of Mother show you how to get back to black.